Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm going to be showing you today how to get free Apex coins. You can get tons of Apex coins in Apex Legends, and this actually uses some working codes. So these are free Apex codes that you can use. You can not only get free coins, you can also get free packs and free skins and heirlooms as well. So I spent a long time searching on Google, testing loads of different methods and codes for Apex Legends. And I thought I'd share this method and show you how to get free coins. So before I show you how to do this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, because I'm always searching for methods on getting free stuff in other games and, of course, Apex Legends. But yeah, coins are really expensive. I believe you can get 10,000 coins. You may be able to get more than that, but these are completely free, and these codes are working in 2026. So you've got to use your mobile internet browser, and what you're going to want to do is basically open up that and go to www.crashcoupons.com. Now, like I said, guys, do this on your mobile. It just makes the process of getting your Apex Legends codes a lot easier. So once you head on over to Crash Coupons, you're going to want to use the search bar because there are hundreds of different pages. So search for Apex Legends. This is the codes page, guys. There's a few different codes, and these are working in 2026 for all platforms. So it doesn't matter if you play on PC, Xbox, or PlayStation, you can do this. So go ahead and scroll down. There is the code, 10,000 free coins in Apex Legends. Like I said, you can get packs and unlock all skins and heirlooms. So the 10,000 free Apex coins code is working. So click on get code. These are limited codes, guys. As you can see, there's 179 codes remaining. So I've already done this morning, but basically this is going to load up and allocate you a valid verified working code for Apex, and you need to unlock it. This basically just prevents people taking all of the codes and getting unlimited coins. You can only do this once to get 10,000 free Apex coins. So click on get full code, and it's going to be very simple. There's a set of instructions here telling you how to unlock your Crash Coupons code. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers below and make sure you follow the instructions below each one. Now, these are both basically mostly mobile applications and games and surveys. You just need to follow the instructions. They're all completely free. They will take you about 5 minutes to complete, but it is well worth it. Once you fully complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Apex Legends code will be revealed. You can redeem it in-game or in your platform of choice, and that is going to give you 10,000 free Apex coins. Definitely the fastest and best method to get free coins in Apex Legends using working codes. Go to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions, let me know, guys, but it is pretty easy if you follow the instructions to unlock it. Enjoy, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.